So here we have a Dell Inspiron 2020 all-in-one computer. It was brought in here for no power. Big Boss already disassembled the machine, and I want to take it under the microscope to see what's going on. The first thing we do is check the charger to make sure the charger is good, and the charger checks 19 volts. The motherboard does light up. When you plug the cable, it does light up, but nothing turns on. So I want to check and see if we possibly may have a bad MOSFET or something else blown on the board, or possibly a short. I'm gonna look at the charging port area. I just want to do a quick physical inspection on the board. That's the first thing I do. Maybe we can just see a blown component, or a component with a hole, or a discolored component, or burn marks, or something obvious. Because sometimes you can just know what the problem is by doing physical inspection. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? We have a bent USB pin. Don't tell me a bent USB pin is gonna fix the problem. This is probably the 5-volt pin here, and most likely it's touching ground. But would that actually keep the computer from turning on? Is that possible? Let me grab a tweezer to unbend this. Wow, if that's the problem, this computer will be fixed in 2 minutes. The thing is, the customer said he was working on it yesterday and it was working fine. So maybe he plugged something in the USB port and the pin bent, and then the computer stopped working. That's a possibility. Let's try to power it on now. Okay, so let's plug this in. The light came on like usual. We were getting this light, and we're gonna try to power it on. Oh, look at this, the fan is spinning. The fan is spinning. And it's beeping because we do not have the RAM on the board. It's working. So a USB short caused the whole machine not to power on. Wow. So I got lucky with this one. We're gonna assemble it and call the customer to come and pick up. Sorry for the short video, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.